Students studying for competitive examinations with the hope of improving their future and building a career. While this might seem like a regular day for many students across the country, it isn't so in Kashmir. But now, life is taking baby steps towards normalcy in the valley. The Indian Army is doing all it can to support the youth as well. These are students from terror-hit areas like Kiran, Kupwara, Tangdhar, Tral and Shopian. They are taking baby steps towards giving wings to their dreams in New Kashmir. They are being trained by the army personnel. The Army Super 30 classes take place in the heart of Srinagar city. The students are from economically backward households who are being trained for MBBS and NEET examinations. In fact, this program has been going on for a few years. In the last 2 years, 52 children have cleared the examinations. In fact, several households will get their first doctor and engineer thanks to this initiative. Every year, Army prepares a bunch of students to prepare and get into different streams. The students are prepared for several subjects including physics, chemistry, zoology and botany. The classes go on for 6 hours every day. Now let's tell you how it all started. It was in the year 2018. The first ever batch started in March 2018 and the response has only grown year by year for the initiative. The initiative saw success in the first year itself. 35 students from economically backward families cleared the examinations and joined various institutions across the country. The next year too, 33 students made it. The students also get a chance to participate in extracurricular activities and patriotic functions. They start their day with National Anthem. Super 30 is working towards building the dreams of these children. The children taking coaching expressed their happiness and said that they were grateful to the Indian Army for realizing and fulfilling their dreams. While private coaching for these examinations cost anywhere between 2 to 3 lakh rupees, these students avail these facilities and training for absolutely no cost at all. This is such a huge contrast to what the situation was for Kashmir a few years ago. Several students could not even dream to be a part of mainstream discourse. Indian Army's noble cause ensures that the students get a chance to shift away from the strife-torn life that many saw for decades in Kashmir. Many students have already realized their dreams and many more are working towards it. The students inspire each other and the future generation to opt for this, while Indian Army helps them all steps of the way. Truly a Naya Kashmir in today's India.